Assalamu alaikum students. I am here to teach you about mathematics. Today's our topic is number system. In number system we will discuss natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, property of real numbers, binary operations. Natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. Natural numbers are used for counting, for calculation. For example, how many colors we have. We will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Green, red, blue, orange and black. We have 5 colors. 5 is a natural number. 10 is a natural number. 13 is a natural number. We never calculate from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We calculation start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 is not a natural number. 5730 is a natural number. 400 is a natural number. 500 is a natural number. But 0 is not a natural number. Minus 1 is not a natural number. Natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on. After 9 we will see 10. 10 is made of 1 and 0. We need 0 for 10. So we start from 0, 1, 2, 3 in whole numbers. When we say about whole numbers, it starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 because we include 0. So our whole numbers start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Then we need integer numbers. In integers number we have negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. If we purchase something, so we give 500 to the shopkeeper and we purchase thing of 200. Shopkeeper use negative numbers and return our remaining money. So we have importance of negative number as much as our positive numbers. Rational numbers. Rational numbers made of numerator over denominator. Numerator commonly denote by P. Denominator normally denotes by Q. P over Q form is a rational number. Q never becomes 0. Denominator in rational numbers never becomes 0. 1 over 3 is a rational number. 5 over 4 is a rational number. 3 over 2 is a rational number. 2 over 3 is a rational number. 4 over 3 is a rational number. 6 over 3 is a rational number. 3 over 6 is a rational number. But 1 over 0, 2 over 0, 3 over 0 is not a rational numbers. Our denominator never becomes 0 in rational numbers. So rational number have two types. One is terminating, other is non-terminating. Terminating means ending value, like 1 over 2. We know it is equals to 0.5. 1 over 5 we know 0.2. 0.2. This is terminating values. And non-terminating values have two types. One is repeating, other is non-repeating. Repeating means one word is repeating, one number is repeating constantly. It's according to period or it's a number. Like 10 over 3 equals to 3.33 and so on. We can take 0.314, 314, 314. It's a period repeating number. It repeats by a number or a period. Other is non-repeating, non-terminating number. Like radical 2, radical 3, radical 5, pi value 3.14 is a irrational number. Non-repeating, non-terminating is irrational numbers. terminating and repeating non-terminating are rationals, and irrationals are non-terminating, non-repeating numbers. There is a graph. Natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, as we know, it starts from 1 and so on. Then whole numbers greater than natural numbers because it includes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Then we take integers, negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. Then rational numbers. P over Q form has rational numbers. And irrational numbers, radical 2, radical 3 form. Rational and irrational make real numbers. Combination of rational numbers and irrational numbers make real numbers. This is the line of real number line. It's on the left side we have negative values, in mid 0, and right side we have positive numbers. Between 0 and 1, it's infinite numbers. Between -4 to -3, we have infinite numbers. In between too many rational, irrational numbers in them, we have many numbers which we cannot calculate. Like we take 0 and 1. 0.0001 is also here. And 0.999 also here. We never calculate between numbers between them. We have to prove radical 2 is an irrational number. For this, we choose contradiction method. So we suppose radical 2 is a rational number. If radical 2 is a rational number, then it is in the form of P over Q form. We suppose P over Q is the lowest form, shortest form, then radical 2 equals to P over Q. Q does not equals to 0, taking square on both sides. So it becomes 2 equals to P square over Q square. Q square shifting on the left side, then it becomes P square equals to 2Q square. We're taking P square as a even number because even multiply even become even, like 2 multiply 2 equals to 4. And odd number multiply odd number, it make odd number, like 3 multiply 3 equals to 9. So we supposing P square is a even number. If P square is a even number, then P also a even number. So we suppose P equals to 2a. P square equals to 2a whole square. P square equals to 4a square. Now put in P square equals to Q square. Value of P put in the P square equals to 2Q square. It become 2a whole square equals to 2Q square. It become 4a square equals to 2Q square. We are taking 2 on the left side of equal. It become 2a square equals to Q square. We also again suppose Q is even number. If Q is even number, then Q square is also an even number. So we suppose Q equals to 2b. Then rational number is in the form of P over Q. We putting the value of P and Q equals to 4a over 4b. So it is not the lowest form because 2 cancelling each other. It is not the lowest form, not the shortest form. So our position is wrong, and radical 2 is rational number. Same this method we can solve all radical numbers like radical 3, radical 5, all the rational numbers in radical n. Property of real numbers. In property of real numbers, we use binary operations. Binary operation is made of addition and multiplication. Addition means 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 4 plus 5, 5 plus 8. This is addition. Multiplication, 1 multiply 2, 3 multiply 4, 5 multiply 6, 7 multiply 8. This is multiplication. Addition and multiplication make binary operation. Binary operation we can denote by asterisk. Some addition law. We have addition law in closure property, associative, additive inverse, commutative. If A and B belongs to R, we suppose above R equals to capital R, means real numbers. A plus B belongs to X, means if A and B both are real numbers, then it make a real number. Like A plus B, A equals to 1, B equals to 2. It may make 3. 3 is also a real number. So all the real numbers addition make real number. Associative law of addition. In associative law, we take 3 real numbers, A equals to 1, B equals to 2, C equals to 3. All the 3 real numbers adding it make also a real number. Additive inverse. Inverse is the number like A belongs to X, then minus A is also a number which makes 0. A plus minus A equals 0. Minus A is a additive inverse. If A equals to 1, then its additive inverse is minus 1. It makes 0. Additive identity. In additive identity, A belongs to X, then it plus with real number, it makes no change in number. 0, a number which cannot change other number or our choosing number, then it is identity, like 0. In addition properties, we use 0 as identity number because it never change number. A plus 0 equals to 0 plus A equals to A. A, we suppose 1, 1 plus 0 equals to 1, and 1 plus 0 equals to 1. So it is identity element. Commutative law of addition. If we add two real numbers, it make a real number. A plus B and B plus A is the same number. A plus B 3 equals to 3 and B plus A equals to 3. Both making 3. It's equal. Commutative means if A plus B and B plus A making same number, then it is commutative property holds. Multiplication law. In multiplication law, also closure property, associative law, multiplication, identity, multiplicative inverse, and commutative also holds. Closure property, same. A, B belongs to R, X we suppose our real number set. So A multiply B also a real number. If we, as we take A equals to 1, B equals to 2, and their product is 2, which also a real number. Associative law for multiplication. If we multiply 3 numbers, it also belongs to real number. Like A, B, C. B, C, 2, B equals to 2, C equals to 3. It makes 6. 6 multiply A equals to 1. 6 equals to 1, A equals to 1, B equals to 2. It make 2, and 2 C equals to 3. 2 multiply 3 equals to 6. both making same number. Multiplicative identity. As we know, identity is the number which does not make any change on that number we choose. A belongs to X, 1 belongs to X such that A dot 1 is the identity element in multiplication. A dot 1 and 1 dot A equals to A. 1 is called multiplicative identity for real numbers. Multiplicative inverse. Inverse like A dot A over A inverse. Power will change, or say 1 over A. It make 1. Then it is inverse property holds. Like 1 A equals to 2, then 1 over 2 equals to 1. This is, then it become inverse. Commutative law of multiplication. If we multiply two numbers in order of AB and BA, both are equal, then it holds commutative property. In addition, we have 0, which make identity element. In multiplication, we have 1 for identity element. Multiplication and additions law. A multiply bracket B plus C, it make AB plus AC. Distributive law. A plus B multiply with C, AC plus BC. Order property. Completeness axiom, which will explain in higher classes. A equals to 1, B equals to 2, C equals to 3. Then A plus B multiply with C. We're taking left side. A equals to 1, B equals to 2, multiply with 3, become 9. Taking right side of this, AC plus BC. A multiply by C, A 1 multiply with C, B multiply with C. It make also 9. They are equal, so property will prove. Prove the real number xy x dot a. X multiply 0 equals to 0. In this, 0 will change with 1 plus minus 1, because if we cancel out, then it also becomes 0. Using property of additive inverse. Then we use definition of subtraction. 1 minus 1, it become x bracket में 1 minus 1. Distributive law. X multiply 1 minus x multiply minus 1. Property of multiplicative identity. X minus x. Then we use additive sign, plus sign, and we minus 1 multiply with x according to the definition of subtraction. It becomes 0. Property of additive inverse hold. Then A dot 0 equals to 0. Xy equals to 0, x equals to 0, or y equals to 0. On same pattern, xy equals to 0, we are taking x not equals to 0. Then exist from equation 1, xy equals to 0 gives 1 over x, x multiply y. Xy equals to 0, so multiply with 0. Multiplicative property of equality. X multiply inside with 1 over x, multiply x, y equals to x 1 over x and 0 associative law of x. It's cut each other, so 1 dot y equals to 0. Property of multiplicative inverse hold. Multiply with y, 1 multiply by y equals to 0. Multiplicative identity property hold. Thus xy equals to 0, x naught equals to 0, then y equals to 0. Similarly, if we take y not equals to 0, then x equals to 0. Y equals to 0, x equals to 0, or y equals to 0. Maybe both are 0, maybe one will be 0. It's not the confirmation that x always 0 or y always be 0. It may be both are 0, or maybe x may be 0, y may be 0. One should be 0. A over C over B over D. Taking left side equals to AD over BC. Taking left side of the equation A over B, it's changing in multiplication D over C. A multiply with D, B multiply with C. Does the set 1 minus 1? Does the set 1 minus 1 possess closure property with respect to addition and multiplication? 1 plus 1, we take 1, 2 times 1 plus 1 equals to 1. 1 subtract 1 subtract minus 1 equals to 0. Minus 1 plus 1, it becomes 0. Minus 1 plus minus 1 equals to minus 2. We take this number like A and B. A plus A, then A plus B. Then we take B, B plus A, B plus B plus B. So A plus A equals to 2, A plus B equals to 0, B plus A equals to 0, B plus B equals to minus 2. But we have 2, 0 and minus 2. Both are not belongs to this set, because in this set we have 1 and minus 1. So all the three numbers we have 2, 0, minus 2 does not belong to this number. So closure property in additive does not exist. But we check multiplication. 1 multiply 1 equals to 1. 1 multiply with minus 1 equals to minus 1. Minus 1 multiply 1 equals to minus 1. Minus 1 multiply minus 1 equals to 1. As we see at the answers, 1, minus 1, minus 1 and 1. All the numbers we get in this set, 1 and minus 1 both are in this set. So closure property holds when multiplication we use. There is an assignment for you. Radical 3 is an irrational number. This is solved by you. Which of the following set have closure property with respect to addition and multiplication? Solve these examples. Thank you. Any question about this?